promises, like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside and everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. That this was not your dream, but you always believe in me. Another winter day has come and gone away. Another Paris road. I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people. I still feel alone. Let me go home. Let me see you. Let me go home. I got my breath, baby, I'm down. I've gotta go home. Let me go home. And I'll be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home. Thank you. Back to you, Ma'am Shu.
Yes, maraming salamat. I see we mix vlog in the rest. Welcome, Modi G, Yugi G, Modi Guadala, Chula Judy family. Thank you so much. And of course, the rest. Itong batabay sa atin, guys. Maraming salamat po. The floor is yours. Mr. Eugene Paranyal, Ivan Singh. Sing for more. And maybe say, ay, ano oras na ba si Yudes?
22:06 na, host.
Okay, hindi ka ba magla-live sa Yudes?
Hindi, host.
Okay.
Nag-live na ako kanina umaga, host. I have 3,000 views for 3 hours. Yes.
Uy, congratulations, Sir Yudes. But anyway, sorry, Sir Yudes.
Yes.
Wala akong pinuntahang YT. Yesterday, today, wala akong pinuntahan kasi nga...
Kanya-kanyang gimmick lang ng live yan, host. Nag-live ako dun sa may nagluluto. Iuto ko dun yung camera na. Ayan, sa kinakainan ko. Dali kong views.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ako nakapanood. Hindi ako nagpunta ng YT ngayon.
It's okay, host. No problem, host. I always understand your situation.
Oh, no! Sana always understand your situation.
Yes, so...
Ano yun? Ano yun sa yun? Anong ginawa ninyo? Bakit nagka-3K kayo?
A simple video.
What is that?
From the other people.
Okay.
They are cooking and
then?
they're selling Filipino food. Yes.
Maybe turon or something, maruya?
No, it's a breakfast, lunch, and mixed Filipino dish.
Okay.
Yes.
And you took a video?
The beauty of the sales lady. The server and the cook. Yes. So I have content now every morning. Every morning, I'll stand by there while I'm eating my breakfast.
Okay.
I do live.
Very good. No away.
Yes. And it's 1 hour, 3 hours actually, because when I'm going to my work, I do live.
Okay,
while traveling to Batangas. You know Batangas, host?
Yeah, I know. Lumi, Batangas.
Thank you so much. So,
congrats sa Yudes. Ganun lang gawin ninyo.
welcome.
Para ganyan lang gawin niyo para walang away.
Yes, host. Thank you, guys. Cover your ears.
Oh, yes.
All my life was a fake.